Ever think about what really powers your high-performance electronics? It all starts with box build assembly, where electrical and mechanical engineering come together to create complete systems. It's how OEMs turn complex designs into real, functional devices. A box build integrates everything from PCBs, power supplies, wiring, and components into one clean, optimized enclosure. Every build is a puzzle of subsystems working seamlessly together. From drones to medical equipment, box builds are the backbone of compact, high-performance products. Drones require precise integration of motors, cameras, and controllers, while life-saving equipment like medical devices demand reliability for safety-critical environments. OEMs face a choice: turnkey, kitting, or hybrid assembly. Turnkey simplifies everything with one supplier and faster results. Kitting gives you full control over each component. Hybrid hits the sweet spot between flexibility and support. Each approach impacts cost, control, and quality. So choose wisely. Circuit Assembly offers scalable box build solutions tailored to your specs. With optimized supply chains and fast turnarounds, we deliver reliable results. Like and subscribe for more real-world insights.